Welcome back and thank you for staying with us. Throughout the week, we've been talking about fats as an essential nutrient. We say fat is an essential nutrient that assists the body in carrying out different activities. It gives the body energy. It also helps in absorbing some essential vitamins that helps in carrying out different activities. So we will be looking at different sources of fats. Where did we get this fat from? Sometimes we eat some certain foods that we don't know that they contain some fat, which are either healthy or are harmful to our well-being. So basically, we have four different types of fats. The first one, we have what we call the monounsaturated fat. This fat is also known as a healthy fat or a healthy diet because it helps the heart to carry out different activities. This type of fat can be gotten from avocado, or in Nigeria we call it pear. It can also be gotten from nuts such as cashew, such as peanuts and others. It can also be gotten from olive oil and other sources. And we say that this fat is good for your heart because it helps in maintaining the heart health. So next time you're eating your food, make sure that you include this particular fat in your food. Do not avoid it. You can eat it as much as your body can take because it is good and essential for your health. We also have another type of fat, which is known as polyunsaturated fat. This is also known as a healthy diet or a healthy fat that assists in regulating the blood cholesterol. You know that there's another type of fat or a cholesterol that is found in the blood that carries out different activities. So this particular type of fat helps in regulating the cholesterol level within your blood, which assists the heart in carrying out different activities. And it also reduces the chances of heart attack and stroke. So this fat is very important to you, and it's important that you consume it. And where do we get this fat from? This fat can be gotten from omega-3 oil and omega-6 fatty acids. This oil is mostly found in fish, fish like sardine. You talk about fish like salmon. You talk about fish like tuna and others. Any fish that contain oil is essential, is good for your health. It gives you a healthy fat. Also get omega-6 oil from nuts like peanuts. You talk about walnuts, you talk about cashew, you talk about sunflower oil and other essential nuts that we consume. So this oil is very important to your health as it promotes the heart health and also regulates cholesterol level in the body, especially for those that are having high cholesterol in their blood. So this particular fatty acid helps in regulating that. Another type of fat is called saturated fat. This type of fat is not too healthy for you. This type of fat can increase your chances of developing cardiovascular diseases or heart attack. So you need to reduce the rate at which you consume this type of fat. And where do we get that from? We can get it from animal fat, especially those people that like eating the fatty part of animal meat, and also people that like eating the back of poultry meat, especially chicken and turkey. You know that the skin contain high saturated fats, in which is not too healthy for you to consume, especially when you take it in high quantity. We can also get this fat from milk. People that like drinking raw milk or milk that is not processed or saturated milk, it contains fats that is not too good for your health. And also we can get it from palm oil, we can get it from palm kernel oil, and we can get it from other vegetable oil. That is, we are not saying that you should not consume it. You can consume it. Remember, we said fat helps in giving the body energy. So, but when this energy is not properly utilized, when you don't use this energy, it now becomes a problem to you. It will increase the cholesterol level in your blood, in which it can put your heart at risk, and it can increase your chances of developing some heart diseases. So even when you are consuming this type of fat, you should consume them in a low quantity and make sure that you exercise regularly in order to use the energy in order to convert this type of fat and then exhaust it out of your body. But when you allow it to accumulate in the body, it becomes a problem to you. And it can also increase your chances of developing obesity, which you know is not good for you. And the fourth type of fat is what we call the trans fats. This is the most dangerous type of fat. And this is a fat that sometimes we consume it unknowingly. This type of fat is a fat that's been converted from liquid to solid. This one can affect your health in a negative way. When you consume it in a large quantity, it increases the cholesterol level of your blood, and in which can damage your body and increase your chances of developing heart disease. How do we get this trans fat? This fat can be gotten from processed food, like snacks, and also baked products like cake, like cookies, like all these snacks that we eat on a daily basis. So we are supposed to regulate this. This type of food is not supposed to be taken regularly, because as you are taking them, you are putting your heart at risk. Know that the trans fat, it increases the bad cholesterol in the body. In our subsequent videos, we will be looking at what is cholesterol and the function of cholesterol in the body and the effect on your health. So we have the good cholesterol and we have the bad cholesterol. And how does fat contribute to cholesterol level in your body? So we will be looking at the different foods that increases the good cholesterol, that give us good cholesterol, and those ones that give us bad cholesterol. So stay with us and thank you for listening. Make sure you share the video. Make sure that you watch all our episodes, because we will be discussing them in bits. And the more you know, the better for you. They say knowledge is power. So he that knows will be easy for him to control. So you need to take charge of your health, and you need to know that your food is your medicine, and your food can also be a toxin to your health. So you stay healthy and stay safe. Bye.